Hello students, in your last class we have learnt about PHP string functions. The string functions that we studied were already built in the PHP. We were calling the functions and using for a specific purpose. Today we are going to learn about user-defined functions. User-defined functions are the functions which are written by the user. They are not present in the PHP beforehand. Okay, so let us get started. PHP user-defined functions. A function is a block of statements that can be used repeatedly in a program. So, a function, when you have written that one function, you can call the function any number of times. As many times you are going to call, the block of statements which are written inside the function will be called. It will be executed only by a call to the function. If you have written a function, it is not going to execute on its own. To make the function work, to make these statements execute, you have to call the function. Okay? Only and only when you are going to call, the statements which are written inside the function will be executed. Otherwise, they will not be executed. A user-defined function declaration starts with keyword function. So whenever you are writing a user-defined function, it must start with the keyword function. Let us have a look at the syntax. Function, space, function name and parenthesis. These round brackets are known as parenthesis. This function is the keyword function. Function name, it is any name that you can provide for the function. Over here also, variable naming rules are followed. Opening curly brackets, code to be executed, semicolon at the end, and closing curly brackets. Function names are not case sensitive. The name of the function, whichever you are providing, it is not case sensitive. However, the variable names that we are using are case sensitive, but the function names are not case sensitive. Let us understand user-defined functions in an example. This is the example for user-defined function. Let us have a look. Doctype HTML, HTML, head, title, close the title, close the head, start the body section. Angle bracket question mark PHP. This indicates beginning of PHP script. Function student. Now here, when we are executing, the browser is going to look, okay, there is a function student written and it will straight away come to this last statement. It will not execute the statements. And when it comes down, it sees a next statement. The next statement is student and parenthesis. This statement is nothing but the call to the function. When there is a call to the function, it is going to go to the function back. So here it will execute the function this time. Function student, opening curly brackets, echo, roll number 2 is ABC. This is just an echo statement which will be printed on the web page, and then finally a closing bracket. Okay, so here the function is not executed on its own. It will be executed only when there is a function call. Then we have a question mark and angle bracket which indicates the closing of PHP script. Close body, close HTML. Let us see the execution over here. Right clicking and open it in a new tab. So here the output comes as roll number 2 is ABC. That is, the echo statement over here is executed. Let us call this function one more time. This time I am writing the function name in capital and Control S and let's press F5. One more time you can see roll number 2 is ABC. This means this is the first function call which is generating this echo statement. This is the second function call which is giving us this second statement. Roll number 2 is ABC. If you have observed, the first one is written in small, that is lowercase. The second one is written in uppercase. The function name is not case sensitive. You can write it in capital, in small. It is not going to create any difference. I have written S capital and save. This is the third function call. We get the same output. Like this, we can execute our functions. We can write different functions and we can call the function as many times we need it.